Hello. Good evening. May I talk to you? Let's be here. Where there is, but I'm recording. You don't mind if I record, right? Hey, you are recording me? Yes. Hey. I'm Teacher Miko. Huh? What's your name? My name is Charles Kasirie. You're called the Charles Kasirie? Yes. Yes, I would like to ask you something. Yeah, which how do you understand the word posho? The word posho? Yes. In which language? Like, how do you understand it, just the word posho? Posho? Yeah. Posho. But you know posho? I know posho. How do you understand it? What is it? Posho? Posho is food. Posho is food? Yeah. And what about rice? Even rice is food. Okay. So, if I'm to ask you, have you ever heard about the word chlorophyll? Chlorophyll? Yes. Yes, I had. What is it? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is there in green plants. Yeah. That is chlorophyll. That's chlorophyll. Yeah. So in relation to chlorophyll, if it is a chlorophyll that makes green plants to be green, yes. Yeah. What makes white people to be white? That is a big question. That's a big question. Yeah. What makes them to be white, by the way? What helps them to be white? To help them, it helps them is kind of like medicine, like that. Medicine. Yeah. Thank you for your time. Good day.